Hello everyone, and welcome back to Howling Hoosier Outdoors. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. That's the Zippo EFK. I was walking through Walmart, I saw it, it was 10 bucks. It had Zippo on it, and anyone who knows me knows I carry a Zippo with me anywhere, so I had to get it. So just doing a very easy breakdown of this. It has two compartments. First compartment is the actual spark wheel, and it uses the exact same spark wheel and flint that is on your standard Zippo lighter. The only difference is this doesn't have a wick, so all it does is produce sparks, as opposed to the flame. The second compartment of this is a waterproof, has a waterproof gasket. It's also where you would replace your flint, but it holds 6 of these compressed, it's soaked with some type of alcohol or kerosene, but this is just your fire starter. It holds 6 of them in this housing. Haven't been able to find any refills for it, so I don't know if they exist, but I'll probably just end up stuffing the bottom of this with cotton balls or something like that. So with the petroleum jelly, you saw that in an earlier video. And if you were to try and spark it just like this, it doesn't really work. So you have to break this down, get all those fibers out. Get all that surface area exposed. From here, you shouldn't have any issues. There you go. Nothing else really to show you, except I'm going to show this in action one more time, only using the InstaFire fire starter. Note, I am not sponsored by any of these guys. This is just stuff that I normally buy to throw in my camping and bug out bags, so yeah.
Yes.
Yes, you are?
Yes. Okay.
Of course, I choose the one path that is...
It's fine, because I'm getting kind of reset up again. So
Okay.
we're just going to have a really good beginning part of this.
These coals are still really hot from last night.
Are
You
they?
can see them smoking right now.
Jesus.
This could probably just combust by itself, if we're being honest. Are you still recording?
Yeah. So how far zoomed in? I'm just on your knees in the fire. Is that okay?
That's fine. Had to try. Later. I'm trying to make you look good. There you go. You can hit him though.